In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your PlayStation 5 with a PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your PlayStation 5 so you can remotely play it on your PC is a very simple process. In fact, PlayStation or Sony themselves support this feature by default, so all that you have to do is visit the PlayStation website, and in here you can use the search function to look for this tool, Remote Play. You can also look for PS Remote Play on Google, and it is going to be the first result. This is the tool that allows us to stream the PlayStation 5 screen into our PCs, allowing us to control any game running on the PlayStation 5 through the PC. To my knowledge, you can also use this feature on mobile. However, I am going to focus on the PC version of Remote Play. All that you have to do upon visiting this website here at remoteplay.dl.playstation.net is to read through all of the requirements, make sure you meet all of these, and I would recommend a little bit better hardware, and it might also require a good internet connection. As you can see here, if you have bad upload or download speeds, you will not get the best experience, so keep all of that in mind. But all you have to do is agree to the terms listed here and then download this tool. You will be able to run the installer, and after you are done, you will have to connect your PlayStation 5. So if your PC is nearby your console, it is going to get detected. Just follow the instructions on screen, and you will be able to select the settings at the left side of the screen and configure the remote play. You will be able to change the screen resolution, enable HDR if your current PC monitor has the capability, and you can change other settings about this streaming quality. Once you are done, just head over to your PlayStation 5, run anything, and you will be able to see it reflected on your PC as long as you keep PS Remote Play open. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up PlayStation 5 with PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.